Hey guys, this is Michael with Fused LED, and today we're going to swap out the low beam and high beam bulbs in this 2017 Ford Expedition. A really cool thing is our new F1 mini series. They do amazing through factory projector lenses. We've already tested them on the 4th gen Rams with projectors, and they have a perfect beam pattern. They actually make the hot spot bigger, and they stay below that safe cutoff line for oncoming traffic. So we're using the F1 Mini 2.0 series and the low beams on this Expedition, and the high beams is going to be the regular F1 series. And we have an extended dust cover to fit over the back of these headlights, to fit over that fan and still seal the headlight up completely. With that aftermarket dust cover, you can run the F1 Plus series in these, the regular F1 series, and the F1 Mini series. Right now we have the halogen, factory halogen in the driver's side. We've already swapped over the passenger side to the F1 Mini series, and here is a clip right now of the difference. You can see that the hot spot is actually a lot bigger on the passenger side, and it's still below the safe cutoff line. The halogen bulb kind of looks dinky compared to the new LED. We're really liking the results on this thing, and it's a very easy install, and we're going to walk you through the steps right now. All right, so you start off by taking these two 10mm bolts out. Once you have them out, the rest is pretty simple. There's a little clip right here. You need to pull it up to where it goes past this little notch. And then you kind of just wiggle and pull this. Once you have it out, there are two connectors you can undo right there. You just squeeze it and pull. There's also the turn signal connector down here. Well, in this case, it's actually easier just to spin it counterclockwise and let it loose like that. Let's go ahead and grab the low beam out, which is a 9005 size. Disconnect the bulb counterclockwise. Now on the low beams, you don't actually need an aftermarket dust cover because the F1 Mini 2.0 fits in there with no problem at all. Here's our F1 Mini 2.0. As you can see, it's fanless and it has a very compact design. On this Expedition, the brown wire is going to be your positive and the black's the ground. The connector on the F1 Minis indicates which one is positive and negative, so the positive will go to the brown. And then once you have it connected, just tuck the wires inside, line the bulb notches up, turn. You can also align back. Let's go ahead and change the high beam out. You just pull this dust cover off, unplug the factory bulb, spin it counterclockwise to get it out. It is a H9 size, which our H11 bulbs are universal for H8, H11, H9. Okay, so you're going to connect it same as the low beam. The blue is the positive on the high beams. Now you're going to put this, line it up with the notches, make sure it goes all the way in, and spin it clockwise until it's locked all the way in. And there it is, and once it's locked all the way in, you can adjust it back inside of the base to where it's straight. The wire's going straight down. And now we'll use the extended dust cover and just pop it on. There we go. Now we're ready to put it back in the vehicle and plug it up, and we'll be ready to go. Put the turn signal back in. Spin it clockwise till it locks. Plug the headlight back into the harness. Once you've done that, you're ready to push this back into the vehicle. It has a clip here, two pins, a little clip over here, and then you got the two bolts on the top.